There are a few different ways to make sure our employees are set up with self-service access. First, we have to log in at papertrails.myisolve.com or by visiting papertrails.com and clicking the login icon in the top right. On the left side menu bar, let's choose Employee Management and then Employee Maintenance in General. Here, we'll be able to see a full list of all the employees within the company. We can go into each employee individually and check to see if they have access to the self-service portal or send them another sign-up email if they don't have access. On the right side of the screen, you will see self-service information. If the box is checked off, then the employee has been granted access to the self-service portal. If the original email has expired, we can send them another sign-up email by unchecking the box, hitting Save in the top menu bar, checking the box, and hitting Save again. The employee will then receive an email to sign up for self-service. Another way to do this would be by choosing Employee Admin Tools in the left menu bar, selecting Employee Administration, and then Self-Service Management. Here we can see a full list of the employees, if self-service has been enabled for them, the email account associated with self-service, and the date of their last login. At the top, we have a few different menus where we can send emails to employees in bulk instead of going into each employee individually. The first menu allows us to enable access to multiple employees quickly. We can select the desired individuals and then hit the process button. The next menu allows us to see inactive accounts and resend those accounts to setup email just like the previous menu by selecting the desired individuals and hitting the process button. We can see if there are any locked accounts on this menu. Finally, we can also resend the setup email to our employees by clicking the Resend Emails menu, choosing the date range based on the employee's hire date within the iSolved system, selecting the individuals, and then clicking the process button. These are all the ways you can check to see if your employees have access to self-service so they can start using the tools available to them today.